This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make video collage on Instagram without third app. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Posting engaging photo and video collage on Instagram has become increasingly popular. It is a great way to show your audience your latest work from different angles, share photos from an event, or even give a sneak peek at what's coming up. That's why we've put together this video. I will show you how to create the video collage on your Instagram. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your plus icon on here, tap on that. Now you can just go to Reels section. You can open your camera. You can choose the video layout on here. For example, we choose this one. Now you can just start recording the video. I use timer. You can just start recording the video for the first video on the first frame like this. And tap on finish after you finish recording. Now, if you want to add another video from your gallery, you can just tap on your gallery on here. And you can choose on the video that you want to add. So it will turn out like this. You can tap on checklist. So your video collage will be turned out like this. You can just share it to your reels, and maybe if you want to save it to your gallery, you can just save it, download it. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create video collage on your Instagram without third app. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!